Hi guys, welcome to My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related issues. Today we are back with yet another how-to video, and in this video we'll be guiding you on how you can share your screen during an ongoing meeting on your Windows 10 device. Before we dive into the process, please make sure that your internet connection is stable. So moving forward to the topic, you can share a screen from the home page to join an ongoing call or once you're already on the call screen yourself. The process looks slightly different on desktop and mobile devices, and the desktop version definitely offers more, including options to annotate and use a whiteboard. Follow these steps to start sharing screens on Zoom. Firstly, if you haven't started a call yet, you can begin sharing your screen from the Zoom app home screen. On your desktop, this option is found in the Home tab. Click or tap to begin the process. A pop-up window will open prompting you to enter the sharing key or meeting ID. You'll have to enter this information to join an ongoing video call. Now click Share Screen on your desktop when you're ready. Enter the meeting password. Click Join on your desktop or tap OK again on your mobile app. I didn't show this process here, but it's not that difficult. The process next is the same as the one I will show you now by starting a meeting or scheduling one. So let's just go into the process. Here I had scheduled a meeting previously, so I will just click on the Start. If you're invited to a meeting by other users, you can just click on the Join in the Zoom homepage or Start a new meeting. If you're already on a call, the process looks just a bit different and it may be even easier. So from your call screen, click the Share Screen button. This button is found at the bottom center of your screen. Tap on your screen or move your cursor if this menu has disappeared. On your desktop, this will open a pop-up with options. Select what you'd like to share and then click the blue Share button to proceed. This will automatically broadcast the app or desktop view you just chose to share. A small Zoom pop-up will be visible at the top of the screen, reminding you that you're broadcasting. If you hover over this pop-up, you can find more options. And if you'd like to share a different screen, click the green New Share option in the middle. This will reopen the menu where you can switch apps or choose to use the whiteboard. In addition to the New Share option, you'll find other helpful buttons. Click on the X to close this window, where you'll find many tools. For example, you may find it helpful to add text. For that, you can click on the text and write the words of your desire. You can also draw arrows, circles, or write down to highlight important information on the screen. You can click on the eraser to erase what you just wrote. In the Format button, you can make changes to the line width, color of the text, size, fonts, everything. If you want to save the annotation you just wrote, click on the Save button and choose if you want to save it in the form of a PNG or PDF. If you tap on the stamp icon, you can choose a shape and stamp it on the screen or a document you're sharing. If you want to mark something and spotlight, just click on this and you'll find different options you can choose from. Click More to open a drop-down menu where you can find other options that might be useful when you're screen sharing. And click on Stop Share or Pause Share to stop the broadcast. Something I didn't mention previously, there are 3 ways that you can use during sharing a screen on Zoom, like this. If you want to share internal sound while you're sharing a screen, tap on the Share Sound at the bottom left corner of the tab and choose how you want to share your sound. Now I'll show you how to use Whiteboard while screen sharing. The process is almost the same. So firstly, you can go to the Basics, select the Whiteboard and click on Share Screen. The Zoom Whiteboard will now open to a blank white space. A toolbar at the top of the screen has all the drawing and annotating tools. You can mark your whiteboard using simple Zoom annotation tools, including text, draw, stamps, just like how I'm showing you right here. The process is the same as I showed you earlier, so click on the X to close the window and click on Stop Share or Pause Share to stop the broadcast. Okay guys, this is all that you need to know about sharing a screen on your Windows 10 device. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching and we'll see you all in the next one.